Plus one some of the interest tele. So the three young ones who statistic now near subtopic chikarana more than hard there. So the Kasanganzuki are measure of central tendency now la parsum you and mean median more nanone Kasanganzuki Tambu on the median was a salary and more the Kasan has the median because salary mean the salary that ring on the martok was jetting on Sugi more the rate. So that was okay more kitola to do Majanganarwa and Kasan and Sugi, Kasur median, the Chidan Saudi, the median kitoni to work with them. Chiktamata than a unit, the little of Martu to Shane. Tambotelwa, so median lava to wake up Sulta, Kasan and Sugi Chidan formulating on the Trudu chats or a median Kurama Chidan Sika, formula Pistan Sika on the Divan. That median now to a chick young Karata Chico and Kasan to mean that they were not shinky F1 to F2. KCT para to frequency in the line, I want to dig frequency set on Chua, the D to line can to give a Jarochi, Castan Chua, example some tension and Chua, the little Mangoli, F1 to F2 says to X and Y says to the Ming tonal series, median tonal series, more Kitonia says zero, the lecture down series. The name of the mean Kiton is famous on the Parish, median Kitonia can allow cherry. In a cubic of the Chua, F1 the F2 제 나기나 그런 로 표시당 구획이 equation 니 잡으셔. 직하는 데는 total frequency 스테도와 total frequency 기토는 가서 equation 제일에 양 mean당 median 가능 직대로와 양 대교도 표시당인데 포뮬라 여러 가지. 딩이 포뮬라 표시당으로 양 가서 가르에는 equation 제. 아니 equation 니 simplify 제오인 바나 아니 x 다 y 라나 디그리 F1 다 F2 가르쳐 알아는 거 딱다식 라도 레시. They catching it to a lethargical low in by the compute the median. Median say low in by the church less than type or more than type. The dish by the advantage career low in by the dig jella, that's signing on to subtropic chicalana, community frequency curve lana degree or G lana degree, not within a graph store. And this graph is on the base of median. Graph they give me so they because the news of the graph now ending on the median set on the and she shall just the young on the next in subtopic the pen to the so I there to do chasing in the rock. To a currently low in banner less than 20, less than 30, less than the thing is less than that. So there was a less than type it on shape. Yeah, more than less, more than this, more than this, more than this, more than 20 less zero. So telling you take it less than type it on. The two are allowing by less than 20 frequency station less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60, less than 70, less than 80. That 80 new one. The lava to comes with dinner that those pattern shimmer the Kasha Pardoa. So don't do my Panaroa, Dinalangi cumulative frequency jura, cumulative frequencies. The thing unto Kachara Dinala, Jay task. Don't do my Panaroa, want to dinner Karsa. Frequency cell, the frequency how come so we are going to find the frequency first. The Tintonic and the Georgia, I want to correct down. Number one, what we are going to do is we are going to make this in a class interval. Right? That one to be frequency table, a frequency distribution table, and then I want to correct it out the time. Less than 20 is 0. If it says less than 20, 0, 2 will came into. But 20 can never have next is less than 30 level. Less than 30 level is 20 never 20 to 30 shaswa. So come to the end of the class interval. So class interval they go to love in by 20 goes to and it's a 30. 20 to 30 love. So new 30 to 40 isn't 30 to 40, 40 to 50. 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and 70 to 80. That thing is comfortable. The master. That never changes the number of Karichigodo. Those were sometimes she went in Panama, Tango less than 20, the nail photo was a Tiburio. That in a hearted to love in Pana less than 30. 30 in Yuma, 30 in Yuma, to love in Pana, sheer. So thing unto dinner for that is current sota community frequency to frequency to tada less than 30 love 4 love so ding and to khacha to the cumulative frequency chede part to de sama ya part do ta ngado khacha to na what's the f zero frequency zero so frequency nya wa impan ngan su gi tenda ro median ze de kamu 먼저 가래 보기 돌라나 frequency 딩에 봐 보기 도와 frequency 대냐 거래 cumulative frequency 대냐 거 and 딩이 또니 하고 임바나 먼저 가래 하고 올라오고 임바나 total 디나오네 and divide by 2 다는 완주기 median class 하고 그러와 아 median class 하고 나니 lower limit and so about cumulative frequency 상황에서 딩이 하고 비와 so 드링지 겨우 매우 가서 지 맞아 임바나 at least 먼저 디기 frequency distribution table 도 수다인다 so 드링 오늘 저기 다로와 하지만 진다로와 다음부터 가서 가도 community frequency 때 가르쳐도 나는 디나로 4 is 좋아 다 4 임바나 frequency 가르치는 less than 40는 44 안 차로 so frequency 때 가르치래 4 안 차지 디사마샤사 이모들 가르도 16 레다 16 so this 16 that is some much is 16 30 46 66 and 82 check that thing also ki frequency na papa me drawing but frequency kind of serve low in by na less than not that the next style less than 40 low less than 40 khato than 62 16 dos less than 40 16 do low yin by na lo nge no ra din na lo khaso that ngaso class interval 30 to 40 ke show lo di tam di para la khato do low in by na di na lo 16 din na lo khari du sa low in by na di nyam du sa because less than laga to so 4 되냐면 7로 less than 40 low in by na less than 40 디 상황에서 community frequency 디 인치면 상다 less than 40 16 do laga less than low than less than 40 16 do low so 16 나나 less than 디 4 대 추교로 so 추교 소상에서 4 대 뼈 하나씩 뼈 더 low in by na 16 minus 4 다 된다 16 minus 4 가스나 완전 frequency laga tu gosura kar gosura dini ke para khajo dola frequency na di para khajo do kesho wa so in between 30 to 40 lawa but less than 40 lawa in para 16 na tu dina 4 de chu de so chu de chu de ngora so 20 do in para na so de ma 10 and it becomes a 12 the 12 kar ke para yo na 30 to 40 the 12 years 다다나시 같이 되는 less than 50 low less than 50 가지고 30 도와 so 30는 가서 그렇게 하면 16 되면 16 less than 40 와 so 16 10 다나서 30 minus 16 equal to 이거 수세 less than 30 다단다 되는 less than 50 나오라 되나 30 돌아 less than 50 50는 용어 가지고 나오고 있는 30 dollars but frequency they calibrate 40 to 50 raw but 16 less than 50 laga to 30 lana ti samo chusewa so ma ka tyong re 16 de pa tyong che 16 de ba na ani 40 to 50 na su ye ka ju ye ka bu wa and now this becomes 14 isn't 14 che and then less than 60 is 46 na chi ga de 46 minus 30 raw let us answer the so 46 minus 30 law in minus 16 16 ra 0 10 ra 10 ta dana shin less than 70 law in minus 66 minus 46 고수는 하면 되게 싫어하시다 그런데 고수하시러다 less than 라시도와 less than 은 파 용어 계시고요 로아 디나로 답변한다 디나로에 가는 66 70 less than 66 dollar 이네 60 की वाला खरे दी और सोचन दी पार्ट में दिना लिंग मार दिना होला so दिना खातु तो लव माने ती थेंक यू दरो so the potential by na 0 and 20 so and then less than this here so 82 minus 66 which is equal to the material 82 ne darwa 82 ne and 66 part in party yeah or 8 kasorwa 6j, and here 8 must be 1, 16. So this is the frequency. This is called a frequency. And then we have a community frequency. This is a community frequency. So just a thing in table so don't in the table so that they know to carry out by total 82 in half. So 82 divided by total 82. Those matter was less than that. Don't do in less than 80 low in less than 80 low in here is a 82. The total they have to carry the 82 in the task. So total 82 in 82 level to catch random give 82 divided by 2 tangra, total divided by 2 tangra. So it becomes a 2 1 2 4 1 41. Now 41 din al khatu ran there dwa. So 41 din in class interval khacha sa teacher use. The class interval din now ran ma khare yoda na median din na yoda. So the thing is casing of less than type less than positive by now. And the calculation because of community frequencies table show this to them and is the thing is because of the in the day this to that. The thing is general of our pen to allow in by now. Next OG give the lead because the topic sleep was to the pen to read. So the test financial the thing to the part topic to S and the thing to the more apart render. Yeah, almost so. That thing is main topic to I think on to the more to the share. Again, here that we have one formula, an important formula. So memorize this formula. Number one, calculation is very simple, especially this. Median and mode. The mean laga to the formula law by was table solution test it was going to brush. The motto more than median need to pay lower. The other one to Lamsan Saturday and Garwa. So the formula should the formula the current maintain after Chirua. So the more example Nisha and narrative Chirua, the example check and the example the example meeting on Zuki more than Joy Tony. The more the custody table the following distribution gives the weight of 60 students of a class. In the and weight 60 students that we know the total student is 16. Find the mode weight of the student. Student ki the more the weight ki mode lower classes na to ungroup data ungroup data low in banata pu weight in binary height in binary log ton in binary samanyam to do pa shama to the dinalo mangsho kardo the maximum frequency then want to call it more the more to turn so the frequency mangsho yenge de laos lo pesa na to thangoni mo so pa shiwanga to bana dus mangsho yenge bana and then now pu mangsho to the hard all thing want to harsha to love in by any more chart is the more love in by frequency mangsho de la to gi the patient ne do superior harso the current weight kasuri current weight kasuri weight mangsho che you ki puku ki strength ro ding la to kala more like this. But here in a group data we are going to have a little different. Instead of finding the maximum frequency calculation test that thing of the correct group data group 40 to 44 44 to 48 thing of the group now so the group frequency distribution table so group class interval or group data to these data should I think more it's a very simple just memorize the one formula. The temperature calculation is very simple. Now I'm going to write the formula directly here. The mode than a condition. The formula the mode than a condition frequency mangsho leswa. Now mode the formula LT plus T, which is very similar to the median. So then F1T minus F0 relative F0T divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into h. The formula the term switch here. So this is a formula. The formula the term switch here. The calculation is very simple. The kare redo. Dina tau. Thambo L lana ra kesan law na sing lo L law in lower limit laws. The lower limit dina lower limit down to 44 is 48 is 52 is 56. Kare lower limit. The lower limit the laga to was lower limit. Model class ki lower limit la. Model class na more jero the descent la model class. Kasa no median class la median nesa de la median class la. The more nesa de kare. More nesa the frequency chisho the ki class la model class lead. Let's see that in a frequency 4, 6, 10, 14. So 14 is the frequency, maximum frequency is 14, which means this 52, between 52 and 56 is the model class. So think of the both share model class. The consider to now in by now 52 to 56 thing on the model class. The model class how gonna L L consider to 52 thago. Tell you sharp dinner. So that did not want to carry and go to a agenda. Tambody L Lanarwa L Lana to Cardula in Bana, lower class of model class. Lower class of model class. That the machine gets on taking a text monani could deserve the correct image to go to a share. So L the concern. F1 and a carry, F0 and a carry, F2 and a carry, H and a carry, the number of the teaching and the economic by text pool to not go to a church. That did not want to carry to the Tambo, catch you on the current years allowing by the now maximum frequency in your Sadina. The maximum frequency in your way by now. I want to carry lower limit in L. So they can pass up to change the mod which is equal to L. L is lower limit of that is 14. Lower limit like 52 isn't 52 check plus the F1 and carry F0 and carry F1 now in by now model class now you have a frequency tarante F1. So that is 14. So I think that's 14T there. F1 the 14T minus F0 lana F0 lana F0 lejido F0 lana khala ku gama khare do model class frequency shura F1 ki gama khare do that is 10. So de laga sa khatna na 10 level sir divided by F1 lana the ing the same 14 into 2 times 2 into 14 check minus F0 lana the same by 10 check. That F2 let's F2 the current next key frequency the again 10 into H. H lana digging into size width of the class interval. Class interval ki width shalla khatu me derata the din khatu do shiftu ni shift sheshi lana khatu do cat khatu do shift do so 4 charge. That is the get some do that is go so che thangode formula the same che mod which is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. That F1 and Karto love in Bana more than a model class have model class the other frequency function the class model class level. So model class now you do the F1 shell looks at the F1 and F1 Karto love in F0 dos. Okay, frequency the F0 che 1 ki chela hasuri 2 the F2 disha and the frequency ki j khare mein so dale sorry the F1 che F0 F1 F2 and level charge or the initial amount of symbol shada ro and not to level charge so F1 the khala model class ki frequency de F0 the ku gand che F2 the ku watt all the shata and see here which is equal to 52 and 14 minus 10 4 into 4 28 minus, and this is minus 20. So mod, which is equal to 52 plus 44 sa. That 52 la because mod in the model class the mod din na le korwa kesa na median ka se you din na le korwa. So then the mod was din na le korwa din de korwa. So and then 44 sa 16 divided by 20 by 28 8 8 ones are 8 8 twos are 16, which is equal to 52 plus 2 equal to 54. Let's see here 54. So 54 then mod 54 and the parata less what. So taking as we say about model class chorus, model class na tata model letter. So digging example chigging. Right. Take example shamba to do that. Big example the correct to love in pana. Recap in the case of mean comes to the F1, the F2 Z down to the chicken dinner. So the Antoine delegates and is X class interval come together 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100, 80 to 90, 90 to 100 there. And then now on the frequency the data. That frequency the vegetarian formula the vegetarian and on the X value say hello. Then I'm saying then a solution them see what solution. And we know the formula. Then I'm saying formula the marti tango. So formula the again singular L plus F. That the formula is somehow going for and then our formula the vegetarian the X number right. So F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. That is now maximum frequency the answer carrying by Chidamora Latu Marwa X prime is zero. We are going to take here as 16. 16 as that is multiplication because the multiplication that means model class was habura. So mod habuachi. Kaisna multi to sell 57.5 and 57.5 57.5 is here. So go in my house. China yang samsung the material X maximum you zero. Come how about in a more than 57.5 and more than calorie. More than a model class. So on the model class 57 deep there. So there are 57.5 and deep parallel. So that means the Karim Baha was frequency Mangshu in Bahagos. That the Hakuguna and the count down one each other in a Bosura. So deep was check. Now let's see, we are going to put the value. How to do that? So the mode is given 57.5 is given, and L lower limit lower, so that is a 50. That didn't come to that one. It's a 50 plus F1. The F1 is 16. 16 minus F0 now F0 the counting bar. So 10 divided by F2 2 times F2 into F1 now in 16 minus F0 10 and minus here is an X next current extra into H. The H can also get considered 10 10 10 so that is a 10. Now we are going to calculate 57.5 equal to 50 the super computation okay that 50 negative 50 liter which is equal to the to 10 is a 6 6 into 10 computation degree 10 computation and 2 6 2 12 132 and that thing of the calculation to those parents t x t cj came there. So in the beginning of the lifetime in the so 10 years. So 10 ching by na. So up to 10 by na and 7.5 7.5 which is equal to the pattern 60 divided by the 210 by 20 minus x. It's a 22 minus x. Oh yeah, that should learn. They get the image cross multiply down to the so cross multiply down to by 7.5 to 22 minus x, which is equal to 60. For come to multiply that. So take there multiply that as a bracket and now we check. So multiply that simple by 70 22 22 k 7.5 itanda 5 2s are 10 1 0 5 2s are 10 11 and into 7 or 2 khasa 11 7 2s are 14 1 4 and 7 2s are 14 and 15. So 1 6 5. So that we have 1 point here. The point here, so the point mirror solution was 100 degree, 0 mirror solution degree, which is equal to 165 minus 7.5x, which is equal to 60. This one. That didn't want to do there. Like them switching by 165 minus 60. 60 this will and x equal to negative is a part 7.5x. So negative matcha so the calculation should so that means 165 minus 60. So 105 divided by 7.5, which is equal to x. That's 7.5k 105 la multiply down because it divide down. So which is equal to x. X is equal to 105 la 7.5 itana degree. Yang nanti der 0 shi ene patang shana degree 75. Tuk stang sha darwa tuk 0 le and nanti di meo soda. So 75 ones are 75 che. Then pale 4 che. Isn't 14? Pajan is it? 7.5 la 14 itana darwa. 4 5s are 22 0. 7 4s are 20 20 29 30 3 0 che. 1 5s are 5 1 7 7. So 0 che 5 che 10 1 0. Yes, it's a 14. So this part is down to the Rawatan Chimbana 14 days. So that means x value is 14. The value should I think also consider to love in by 14 days. The thing is the example run doing. So I'll give another example on the base of how we are going to find the unknown, the missing frequency. The ton and the formula project on young man to get more connected. So the toning example each day that you can Google Ray and Mutuni practice sheet. And next subtopic is the frequency distribution curve. And I'm going to the graph with Tony Young and to the median say next time the chain. Yeah, and didn't do you get to and Kashishi Young loves and Darangi do not do by testing into the transfer practice sheet. Lasso, I need to